Animals, Animals, written by Cheryl Ryan. There are many kinds of animals. The elk is in the deer family. Male elk have large antlers. Elk can swim well and run very fast. Giraffes are very tall, with long necks. Giraffes have spots all over their bodies and short horns on their heads. Elephants are the largest land animals. Elephants have long trunks. They live in grasslands and forests. Snow leopards live on cold mountains. They have thick fur to keep them warm. This camel has a long winter coat. Camels can live for a long time without food or water. The fox is in the dog family. Foxes live in holes in the ground. Foxes eat small animals, insects, fruits, and eggs. The zebra is in the horse family. Zebras have white and black stripes and live in grasslands. The hair on their necks stands straight up. The great gray kangaroo has a pouch. It uses its strong back legs to hop. Kangaroos eat grass and other plants. The hippopotamus spends most of its time in water. A hippopotamus has almost no hair. It eats grass and water plants. Polar bears live in cold places. They have thick fur to stay warm. They eat seals, birds, and fish. There are many kinds of animals.
Please remember to like and subscribe for more read-along videos.